Ever wondered about the secrets to creating outstanding copy? The truth is, great copywriting starts by putting your ideas down, no matter how rough they might be, and then refining them to perfection. Today, I'm excited to walk you through 5 fundamental copywriting exercises that can transform even the simplest message into captivating copy. Whether you're taking your first steps in copywriting or you're a seasonal professional, these exercises are invaluable tools for honoring your craft. In this session, not only will I introduce you to practical, actionable exercises, but I'll also share some of my favorite tools that I use every day to enhance my writing. These tools are integral to my process, helping me concisely produce high-quality content for our clients. So if you're a business owner, entrepreneur, or freelance writer looking to leverage compelling copy to advance your goals, you're in the right place. Make sure you're subscribed to our channel to get access to all of the copywriting insights and tips I have to offer. Let's dive into the video. First up, let's talk about the Inspirational File. This is a concept used by many of the world's leading copywriters and marketers. It involves keeping a digital folder, like one in Dropbox or a Google Drive, filled with screenshots, emails, ads, sales pages, or other inspiring content collected from various sources. Wherever I stumble upon something interesting online, whether it's a clever ad, an engaging email, or a compelling sales page, I take a screenshot and save it to this file. This folder is meticulously organized into subcategories like emails, landing pages, sales pages, and more, making it incredibly easy to retrieve inspiration when planning a new project. Moreover, I make it a point to buy products and sign up for services just to see the copy that others are using. This is one of the best ways to understand what works and what doesn't in the real world. I also subscribe to multiple email lists from companies in related industries. Rather than letting these emails pile up into my inbox, I set up a special filter in Gmail that tags these emails as inspo. This way, whether I need inspiration for a particular type of content, like webinar invites or promotional emails, I can quickly find great examples that have worked for others. However, it's crucial to remember that the goal is to get inspired, not to copy. Inspiration should serve you as a springboard for your own unique ideas and not to shortcut or imitate. Ethical consideration aside, copying content directly can seriously damage your reputation and credibility. In the digital age, it's remarkably easy to spot duplicates and nothing ruins your brand's reputation faster than being labeled as a copycat. Moving on, our second exercise involves the power of the treasures. Many people underestimate just how transformative a treasure can be in the copywriting process. After drafting my copy, I like to go through it and treasures by my side, enhancing my language to make it more vibrant and appealing. This doesn't mean using complex words that might confuse the audience, but instead it's about finding stronger, more evocative words that fit into the context and enhance the message. For instance, changing scary to terrifying or interesting to fascinating can significantly impact the reader's emotional response. I invite you to participate in a little challenge. Think of alternative ways to express greed. If you're describing this video as greed, how else might you convey that sentiment? Share your thoughts in the comments. I'm eager to hear your creative ideas. Next, let's talk about testing your hooks. A compelling hook can be the difference between a successful piece of copy and one that fails to resonate. One of the best ways to identify an effective hook is by running small-scale ad tests. You can do this on platforms like Facebook and Google by setting up multiple ads with different hooks and analyzing which one performs the best in terms of click-through rates. This approach allows you to gather concrete data on what captures your audience attention before you fully commit a particular message in your larger campaigns. Testing doesn't require a big budget. A little can do a long way into identifying what resonates with your audience. Once you find hook that works, you can integrate it into sales funnels and main messages, ensuring consistency across all communications. This method not only saves you time, but also ensures that your copy is directly aligned with what your audience wants to hear. Our fourth exercise is all about simplifying your message. The Hemingway Editor is an excellent tool for this. Named after Ernest Hemingway, known for his concise writing style, this tool helps refine and tighten up your writing. It highlights sentences that are too complex, and it helps you simplify your copywriting so it can be understood better. I frequently use Hemingway to ensure my copy is clear and accessible, aiming for about 8th grade reading level. This is crucial because straightforward, concise copy often results in better engagement. Here's an example of how I use the Hemingway Editor in one of my recent projects. I started with a newsletter that was initially assessed at a college reading level. By working through the text with Hemingway, I was able to simplify the language, break down complex ideas, and eliminate unnecessary jargon. The revised newsletter not only communicated the message more clearly, but also became more enjoyable to read. Finally, understanding the distinction between features and benefits is crucial for any marketer or copywriter. A feature is a factual statement about what a product is or does, but benefit explains why that feature matters to the customer. For example, a camera might have a feature like high-resolution images, but the benefit is what the customer gets from that feature, such as capture life's moments in stunning clarity. In the realm of copywriting, understanding your audience needs and preferences is paramount. Every word you write should be crafted with the intent of speaking directly to your target demographics, addressing their specific challenges and aspirations. It's not just about selling a product or a service, it's about telling a story that resonates with your audience, creating a connection that transcends the transactional. To do this effectively, it's essential to conduct thorough research into your audience demographics, interests, and behaviors. Utilize tools like customer surveys, social media analytics, and market research reports to gather insights that will inform your copy. By aligning your message with the needs and desires of your audience, you can create compelling copy that not only captures attention but also drives engagement and conversions. Now let's explore how you can harness the power of AI, specifically using ChatGPT to elevate your copywriting efforts. In the rapidly evolving world of AI technology nowadays, tools like ChatGPT are revolutionizing the way we create content. For those of you who are business owners, entrepreneurs, or freelance writers, understanding how to effectively use ChatGPT can give you a significant edge in producing compelling copy. ChatGPT can serve as an incredible brainstorming partner. Whether you're stuck for ideas or need a fresh perspective, simply prompt ChatGPT with your topic or the kind of message you want to convey, and it will help you. It can generate numerous copy variations, headlines, or even entire paragraphs that you can tweak to suit your style of the specific tone you're aiming for. This can be particularly useful when you're trying to come up with creative ways to describe products or services. Moreover, ChatGPT can help streamline the editing process. By inputting your draft text, ChatGPT can suggest synonyms or help you with rephrasing sentences to make them more engaging. This is akin to having a digital copy editor at your fingerprints, ensuring that your final content is not only polished but also impactful. Let's not forget about scalability. With ChatGPT, you can increase your productivity by automating some of the more routine aspects of copywriting, such as responding to common customer inquiries, or generating standard content for websites and social media. This frees up your time, and it gives you more time to focus on strategic and creative tasks that require human touch. To effectively use ChatGPT for copywriting, start with a clear outline of what you want to achieve. Define the voice and tone that best represents your brand, and make sure to feed this information to ChatGPT. This will help the AI maintain consistency in your copy, aligning your brand's identity. Lastly, it's vital to always have the final say. While ChatGPT is powerful, it's crucial to review and refine the AI-generated copy to ensure it aligns perfectly with your goals and resonates with your target audience. Think of ChatGPT as a tool in your arsenal to enhance productivity and creativity, not as a replacement for the nuanced understanding that skilled copywriting brings to the table. By integrating AI tools like ChatGPT into your copywriting process, you can not only enhance efficiency, but also elevate the quality of content, ensuring it both innovate and align with your brand's messaging. So give ChatGPT a try and see how it can transform your approach to copywriting. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights into using technology to boost your business strategies. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks of pushing the boundaries of what you can achieve with your writing. As we continue to explore the evolving landscape of copywriting, it's crucial to emphasize the importance of continuous learning and adaptation. The world of marketing and communication is always changing, and staying updated with the latest tools and technologies is key to staying relevant. Whether it's embracing new AI technologies like ChatGPT, keeping up with latest trends in digital marketing, or simply refining your style and approach, the willingness to learn and adapt can set you apart from the competition. Remember, the most successful copywriters are not just skilled writers. They are perpetual students of their craft, always eager to embrace new ideas and technologies that can enhance their work. So I encourage you to keep learning, keep experimenting, and keep pushing the boundaries of what you can create with your words. Creativity is the heartbeat of effective copywriting. It's what sets apart compelling, memorable copy from the mundane and forgettable. As a copywriter, your ability to think creatively and outside the box is essential. This means not only coming up with fresh and original ideas, but also finding unique ways to present even more straightforward information. Creativity isn't just about novelty, it's about relevance and resonate. Using vivid imagery, engaging narratives, and clever wordplay can make your copy more appealing and memorable. It's also about problem solving, creatively overcoming objections and barriers through your words, turning skeptics into believers. Remember, in a world inundated with content, creativity is your most powerful tool to cut through the noise and capture your audience attention. As we wrap up, I hope these exercises inspire you to refine your copywriting skills and encourage you to think creatively about how you can communicate with your audience. Remember, effective copywriting is about connecting with your audience and offering them real value through your words. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Don't miss out our next video where we'll be exploring the top 5 copywriting mistakes to avoid. Until next time, and keep writing and keep refining.